Did you know you can start a digital product business using AI, even as a complete beginner? Right now, people are creating simple digital products and making money online without experience, without inventory, and without showing their face. And the best part? You can start today using AI tools. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start a digital product business using AI as a beginner. Let's get started. First, what is a digital product? A digital product is something you create once and sell online over and over again. For example, ebooks, planners, templates, checklists, guides, journals, social media templates. Once you create them, you don't need to ship anything. People simply download your product. And that's why digital products are one of the easiest ways to make money online. Now let's move to step 1. Step 1. Choose a simple niche. You don't need to overthink this. Just pick something people are interested in. For example, making money online, fitness, self-improvement, study tips, social media growth, business ideas. These niches are always in demand. Let's say you choose making money online. Now move to step 2. Step 2. Use AI to create your digital product. Go to ChatGPT and ask something simple like, create a beginner guide on making money online. ChatGPT will generate your content in seconds. You can also ask ChatGPT to create ebooks, checklists, step-by-step guides, templates, planners. This saves you hours of work. Once you get your content, move to step 3. Step 3. Design your product using Canva. Go to Canva. Choose a simple template like an ebook or planner. Then copy your content from ChatGPT and paste it into your design. You can customize colors, add images, and make it look professional. And don't worry, you don't need design skills. Canva makes everything easy. Once you finish designing, download your digital product as a PDF. Now you're ready for step 4. Step 4. Sell your digital product. You can sell your product on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, or even your own website. Simply upload your product, add a title, write a description, and set your price. That's it. Your digital product business is now live. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can create multiple products. For example, create one ebook, create one planner, create one checklist. The more products you create, the more chances you have to make money. And remember, you create once, but you can sell again and again. That's why digital product businesses are so powerful. And AI makes it even easier. You don't need experience. You don't need money. And you don't need special skills. Just use AI, create simple products, and start selling online. If you stay consistent, your digital product business can grow faster than you think. AI is creating new opportunities every day, and beginners are already taking advantage. The question is, will you start today? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.